Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I install my curly flip over method, just kind of wig install. I did get this hair from a company called Yiroo Hair, or Yiroo Hair. Anyway, so I'm starting off with some freshly, I guess, washed, blow dried, straightened hair. Not that you have to even start here. As you guys know, usually for my wig installs I actually braid my hair, but yeah, I had just got a silk press, so this is what we're doing today. So I'm actually just taking like one of those weave caps, literally with the little holes in it that you get when you purchase wigs. Yeah, you can pretty much do what you need to do to get your hair as flat as possible up under the wig. My hair actually being straight is going to work in my favor to a certain extent in a part of this video, but you'll see. Alright, so here's the wig. It's actually 4 bundles of 22-inch deep curly hair. I believe it is Brazilian. I'll make sure to leave all of the details down in the description box below. And so I did do this on like a complete just dome cap. If you guys need a detailed video on how I actually create my flip over wigs, I'll leave that posted down below as well. So I'm just going to kind of like start framing my face just a little bit. So nothing too crazy. I just kind of did a light little cut here. I'll end up shaping this completely different by the end of this video, but yeah, this is just me kind of playing with the hair, testing it out. I wasn't really sure exactly how I wanted to wear it, so you're kind of getting a little bit of that. And so for me, I feel like the deep wave should have been, well, I guess I really was really wanting a curly type of texture, like a kinky curl almost. However, the hair is still really pretty. I don't know why I expect anything different from a deep wave. However, yeah, I'm going to end up like just trying to straighten this to see how I would have liked it, you know. Looking for a kind of coarse textured, can't really explain. I don't know, I just wanted some curly hair where I'd be able to press it out, straighten it, wear it, and make it look like it's my own and just kind of keep it moving. So I did go ahead and just kind of lightly start to flat iron the hair. And I'm actually straightening this hair on, I believe the temperature was 450, which is actually the highest temperature. And as you guys can see, the hair looks really coarse. It didn't have too much of a bounce, not too much of, I guess the luster wasn't too crazy either. To be honest, if I would have taken my time to truly go through this hair, I believe this curly hair would have looked so pretty straight. But anyway, yeah, I was just in one of those curly moods, so I wasn't really feeling the straight blown out look. So, although I did go ahead and actually do the other side, I guess I couldn't have enough. So this is me just kind of taking out a little bit of hair just to kind of see how my actual hair would have blended with this. So this is actually going to be for you girls who are looking to actually get some curly hair that you can wear in that same texture, like that coarse or however your hair looks. I don't know, mine is coarse, but yeah, this will be for you girls if you're looking for that. And as you can see, just with like 1 or 2 passes, the hair did get fairly straight. It did still have a couple of lumps and bumps in it, but that was my fault. If you guys see how thick of pieces I was grabbing, you'd understand. Alright, and as you can see, the hair actually did blend in with my hair pretty well. So again, I'll reiterate, if you guys are looking for that curly hair and you want to do a leave out type of thing, I feel like this would actually be perfect for you. Really easy to blend. See? Alright, so after my 5 seconds of realizing I hated this this hairstyle, I actually decided I'm going to go ahead and just kind of wet this up just to see if it'll actually revert back to curly. So this is just a look at what that curly texture looks like, and then we're just literally taking some, I believe it was water, coconut oil, and a little bit of leave-in conditioner just to kind of go throughout all of the hair. And it did take a little second for it to revert back, but again, I was straightening the actual hair on 450, so yeah. Alright, and I took a little bit of my Aussie Moist just to kind of apply like a deep condition type of thing, but not too much. So I was using my conditioner as a leave-in conditioner just to make the curls kind of last a little bit longer. It's almost like using mousse without using mousse, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, good ways to define your curls, I guess. And as you can see, the curls actually came back really easy. They're actually looking a little bit nicer after they're wet. So that's another trick too. You guys, when you get curly hair, you always want to try to at least wash it Although, if you're going to be doing like a wig or something like that, you may as well just put the hair all in and then wash the wig afterward. But if you're going to get a sew-in, definitely wash those bundles. Like, when you get curly hair, even you don't even have to do a shampoo and conditioner. Just condition the hair and you'll see what I'm talking about. Alright, so I actually was loving how this was looking. I was kind of feeling like, I think I was feeling like Janet right there. Yeah, definitely Janet. Alright, so, yeah, you guys, I shaved my armpits. Alrighty, guys, so I have no clue why I decided to pull out straight hair with curly, wet weave. Disregard. Anyway, so after I realized, okay, I like the curly look. As you guys can see, the curls reverted effortlessly, so I thought this was, yeah, pretty legit. I like it. And so at this point, I was kind of wondering what it would look like to get curly bangs because it was a flip over wig. I knew it wouldn't be too thick, so here we go. If you guys have never seen one of my bang videos, I'll leave one link down below. How to just seamlessly cut bangs that are falling at an angle. Don't really know what to call that, but yeah. So anywho, I realized those bangs were a little bit too long, so I did go ahead and actually cut it a little bit shorter here. And again, it's a flip over wig, so I was actually able to pull that more forward, or I guess less forward if I wanted to. So that was the option. I was kind of feeling like Rick James at this point and realized we needed a change. So I did go ahead and put this in a ponytail. I thought it was a little bit cuter, kind of pushed out of my face. And so this is me just kind of toggling with the hair. If you guys are wondering, you guys didn't miss any parts of this video. I literally wrapped my hair, put the wig on, and I didn't put any bobby pins, nothing in this hair to secure the wig. Like, nothing in my hair to secure the wig. So anyway, just keep that in mind. So obviously I'm not doing a really loose ponytail, but that just shows you that the dome cap actually holds really tight. So yeah, an elastic band is not always needed for your wigs or wig combs and things like that. Alright, so I went in the bathroom and then realized, yeah, I was going to do half up, half down, and this is that, guys. I felt like Selena. Yeah? The hair is still really full, pretty. The texture looks freaking amazing. It's like a wet and wavy. Definitely leave any comments or questions down below. I had a lot of fun doing this video. You guys kind of got to see me freestyle and, yeah, decide the hairstyle as we went. So definitely let me know if you like that type of video. I'll keep posting. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video.